wala akong sinasabi, Bi. Hello! Good morning! Sarap ng tulog mo, Bi. Laki ng muta natin, Bi, ah. Good morning, Bi. Gading, skirimaring, kadu. I love you. Silimaring, kading, kading, silimaring, kadu. I love you. In the morning and in the afternoon. Sus, kabiyag. I love you, my love. Good morning. Say happy Thursday. I love you. Agam na naman nagising, B. Bling-bling man bag ni Inday, oh. Nilagay niya yan kahapon. Good job, ate. You did it. Siya naglagay niyan. Bling-bling. Yeah, I'll fix it. Finish your fruits today, huh? I also put mini toast in your lunchbox.
What is mini toast?
The yummy mini toast from Philippines.
Which one?
You see.
Can you show me now?
I can show you in a minute.
After you do this?
Yeah, after I do this.
Mommy, do you know Sono's only 4?
Is she?
Yeah, and it's in the section. Mommy, but we'll put these and then write the back.
Yeah.
It will be good.
You're gonna be in reception soon.
But I'm gonna be taller than Sonor. Because I'm gonna be 5.
Yeah. Have you seen Suno lately?
Sonor's 5, and I'm gonna be 5.
Yeah. Ito yung food ni Indy. Nilabas ko lang siya from freezer to fridge kagabi. I think ito yung potato and carrots ata or potato and squash. Potato and squash ata. So ayan, 1 serving na siya. Mas maganda yung ginawa kong last kasi hindi ganun kadami. Yung first batch kasi, ang dami. Pinuno ko talaga yung ice cube. Iwan ko muna yan dyan kasi ang lamig-lamig pa niyan. Happy Thursday! Happy Laundry Day! Happy Laundry Day to everyone! Nagsischedule din ba kayo ng laundry, guys? Or kung kailan lang feeling nyo puno na? Kasi ako Thursday at saka Sunday yung akin. So, it doesn't matter kung nakailang load ako. Basta dapat Thursday at Sunday. Tapos every Thursday yung wash ko ng towels. Tapos may mga nakaseparate dito ng mga very, very pooey na mga damit ng ating Indy. Pag hindi ko na talaga siya kaya, kasi yung iba, sobrang daming stain ng poo, tinatapon ko lang siya, guys. Kasi parang inisip ko, lalakihan din naman. Kaysa masayang yung oras ko kakatanggal. Nasaan na yung aking stain remover? Ayan. Kasi grabe, kung siseryosoin ko tong mga stain na to, ewan ko na lang. As in, kulang na kulang sa oras talaga yung mga gawain. Lalo na ngayon na kumakain na siya. So, yung suka niya, may kulay na din. So, ang daming stains. Naubos na to. Naubos ko lang to eh. Tapos, try natin gamitin tong yung Messy Eater na naman na stain remover. Try ko nga to dito. Hindi ko pa pala to na-try dito sa yellow na stain ni Indy. Let's see if... hindi siya natanggal automatically. Pero baka matanggal naman sa wash. So that's alright. So sa dami ng ginamitan ko nito, isa pa lang yung as in nag-work talaga siya na nawala talaga siya instantly. Yung jeans ko, yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Yeah. Yung iba nawawala naman siya pero hindi yung instant na gaya nung nakita ko sa reviews. Nawawala siya after na siya i-wash. Which is okay. As long as mawala siya, di ba? Kaya lang, kapag ito yung ginamit mo sa lahat, my gosh, kaching ka. Kasi maliit lang siya. First load, down. Magto-2 loads tayo ngayon kasi may towels na hindi nagkasya. Meron akong biniling fabric conditioner. Nasaan na? Bakit wala dito? Hanapin ko lang. Ay. Nandito lang. Pagka maayo. Buti na lang pala, bumili talaga ako niyan. Wala na talaga ako nakastock pala dito. Ay, good job ka talaga, Inday. Very good ka. Try natin gamitin yung rainforest. Hindi ko pa yun na-try. We will come back in 2 hours. Ito na yung texture ng food ni Indy after ko siya nilagay sa microwave, guys. Minicrowave ko lang ng 30 seconds. So, ngayon, hintay na naman ako kasi medyo mainit pa siya. But, yeah. Kanina kasi medyo icy siya tingnan, di ba? Kasi yung ingredient nito, tubig lang at saka yung mga gulay eh. Perfect na ulit yung texture niya.
Honey, Yakult guys. Yakult. You open my Yakult, Mommy.
Please.
Please.
Thank you.
That's mine.
That's yours. Oh, no,
That-
sit down because you don't have ano.
Is that boy?
It is, yeah.
Or is that a bad guy?
I'm not sure. Is he a bad guy? Cheers?
Yeah.
Cheers. Thank you for giving me a cool.
Okay. What's this, Mom?
You're funny.
Yum.
Watch this.
What's this?
Watch this.
What's this?
Cheers. Thank you, Alo.
What's this?
Okay.
What's this, Mom?
Put that on the bench for me after you, okay? Ang bait niya. Siya na kasi kumukuha ng Yakult. Marunong na siya eh. Meron ng ano na high chair. Pinapatungan niya. Tapos kuha siya Yakult. Lagi siyang kumukuha ng... Ay!
Okay.
Hmm.
It's melty.
Ay, naku, Arlo. It's gonna be sticky, the floor. You need to get me a rug, please. Lagi siya kumukuha ng more than one. So, kung nandito si Ayla, kuha yan siya ng 3 para tig-iisa kaming 3. Depende kung sino yung nandito.
I'm dirty.
You're dirty, yeah. Get a rug. Actually, get that paper towel on the bench.
A big one?
Yeah, the big one. Thank you.
I use this.
Yes, you can use that, smarty boy. Ay, my laundry's done. Nag-edit ako eh, kasi tulog si Indy. After ko siya pinakain, pinatulog ko siya. Good boy. Alright. Let's wipe the floor for Mama.
Maybe I saw it.
Yeah.
I like it. Oh, yeah, get this finished.
Your leg.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Can you put this on the bench, please? You know where to put it?
I think it's
Good. Oh, shoot. Wait, I'll put in this dummy. Guys, 1:51 ng hapon. Dumating si Dan mga 10 minutes ago, pero diretso siya sa taas. He's got gulay for me.
amazing.
Gulay ho! Ano, say gulay ho!
Oil.
Say gulay.
Doyai.
Gulay.
Doyai.
Good job.
Doyai.
Good job.
Doyai, Mom.
Good job, Alo.
Ichabod.
Alright, so we got exciting. Kagabi kasi hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon, guys. Pero kagabi yung ulam ko barramundi. Tapos sabi ko, sus, ang sarap sana nito kung may gulay sa side ba. So tinanong niya ako, how's your dinner? Sabi ko masarap kasi iba yung dinner
What's
niya.
your dinner, Mom?
It was really good. We had chicken. Chicken? We had fish, remember?
Yeah.
You, me, and Ate Ayla had fish. Yeah. So sabi ko, yeah, masarap. Yung masarap sana ito kung may gulay bukas.
Is
Punta
it
ako
that
na.
bones?
It's, no bones, that one.
Yeah, is that red bones?
Yeah. So sabi ko sa kanya, ngayon, punta ako sa kung saan may nagbebenta ng mga gulay na
What's it
gusto ko.
white? What's it white?
The fish,
Yeah.
it's just white.
What's it white?
Yeah. Sabi niya, ay, yung auction ko, malapit dun. Pwede kong puntahan sa umaga. Sabi ko, ikaw bahala. Ayoko siyang disturboin kasi nga may auction siya kanina. Pero pumunta siya, guys. The best talaga tong ating daddy. Sus, kayo talaga. Kung foreigner talaga yung asawa niyo, make sure niya ginagawa to. Kasi ang laking bagay ng ganito. Yung iniisip ka talaga na, may mga Filipino food dito or may mga bagay dito na magugustuhan ng asawa ko. I-check ko sa kanya kung may gusto siya. Alam mo yun, laging ganyan si Dan. Like, kapag may appointment siya malapit sa mga Asian shop, kasi hindi ganun kalapit yung mga Asian shop na merong mga gusto ko dito sa amin eh. Medyo malayo siya. And because Dan is on the road all the time, lagi niya chine-check sa akin, oh, punta ako dito, ganyan. Anong gusto mo, ganun. Tapos ngayon ha, na-insert pa niya na meron siyang importanteng ganap kanina. Na-insert niya pa talaga. Nagpunta siya dun, guys. Pinacetime niya ako. The best talaga yung ating daddy. Tapos hindi to ganun kadali ha, kasi hindi niya naman kilala tong mga to. So kailangan ko pa mag-send sa kanya ng picture. Kailangan ko pang i-specify sa kanya na dapat ganito, ganyan. So hindi siya ganun kadali. But,
Mommy.
alam niyo na, pag mahal talaga.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys! So we spent
My pants.
$33
Mommy diet.
and 71 cents.
My mountains.
Is that a good deal or not a good deal?
Yeah.
It's a good deal, you think?
I dance.
Ay, tapos may kangkong ako. Alright, so gulay haul! Say gulay haul! Ay, isang talong lang yung binili ni Daddy. Sabi ko, dalawang maliliit na talong. But that's okay. So I got one small talong. Ay, ampalaya. Na-miss ko yung ampalaya, guys. Hello, say ampalaya. I got 2 ampalayas.
Let me touch it.
You wanna touch it?
It's not hot.
Not hard.
It's a cold.
It's cold. And nagpabili
I love
ako.
cold.
You love cold. And then
I have some.
may okra.
I have this.
What's that?
What's that?
That is ampalaya.
Ampalaya.
This one is okra.
Okay. What's this?
Talong.
What's this?
That one is talong. Say talong.
Talong. A jacket?
Hoy, don't do that. Don't do that.
A jacket?
Don't do that to my talong.
Let me try.
Let me try.
Let me try.
No. Okay, yeah. Put it inside. There's more.
Let me-
Sayote.
It's not cold.
No. Say sayote.
And then
Say sayote.
And then
Masarap
Is
yan.
it not
Lagyan
hard?
ng ano. Not hard. Oh, it's hard. Yes, hard. Put it inside the bag.
it's not hard.
Yeah.
It's not
And
hard.
then, string beans. Buti na lang hindi ganun
I
kadami
like
yung
it.
string beans nila.
It's not cold.
It's alright. Kasi isang, ano na siya, bundle na siya. And
It's not-
iniiwasan ko to bilhin minsan kasi ang dami niya. But that one's good. Hindi
A
ganun kadami.
jacket. A
And
jacket.
then,
Mommy.
sabi ko sa kanya, bili ng pumpkin na pinakamaliit. Yung pinakamaliit na makita niya. So, ito na siguro yung pinakamaliit. Hello, pwede akong magpakbit, boy.
Not hard.
Uy, pwede akong magpakbit. And kangkong. Kangkong. We can cook adobong kangkong.
Let me touch it.
Woo. Good job.
It's big.
It is really big.
Well, this is big.
Yeah. And
It's
more.
heavy.
Yeah. Atis, guys.
Mommy,
Matitigas
let me
siya.
touch it. Is it not cold?
It's not cold. So, nagpabili ako ng dalawa kasi
Is it
matigas
nice?
pa siya eh. It's nice. This is really yummy. It's custard apple.
Let me try. Is it hard?
It's hard, yeah. So, ito, ilagay
Is it
natin to
yogurt?
sa...
Is it
Aray, sorry.
Is it yogurt?
Sa tubig. Kasi hindi ko alam kailan pa natin ito lulutuin.
It's mommy.
Huy! Ano bang ginagawa mo?
Huh?
He?
Huh? Touch it. Is it dangerous?
It's not dangerous.
Is it nice?
It's nice.
Let me
Put
touch
it here.
it. What is this one?
No, 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 no.
Is it dangerous?
Sus, masisira
Is it-
yung...
is it
It's not
like-
dangerous.
Is it nice?
It's nice.
What's this one?
Yung last ampalaya ko was nung nandito pa si Manay.
I hate that.
And wala kasi talagang ampalaya sa ano eh, sa regular na shop lang.
No.
Tagal ko nung gustong mag-ampalaya. Oh my gosh, makakapakbit ako nito. Ay, exciting. Gusto ko kasi mag-utan din. Ay, ang sarap tingnan ng ating gulay. We will have chicken afritada tonight as requested by Mr. Danny Boy.
Mama, in Halloween, can we have our faces?
Yeah, we can.
Mama, in Halloween, my face is gonna be a ghost.
Yeah, I know. They
Mommy,
dress up
we
really
need to
well.
buy a ghost costume because I want to be just up a ghost.
Okay. You can be a ghost on Halloween. That's easy, girl. Ang aga pa actually, guys. Wala pang alas 4. Yeah, 3:42 pa lang. Kaya lang habang masaya si Inday, i-prep natin yung ibang ingredients. Ang laki nito, but ubusin ko na. Kailangan mo, diba? So, ito yung ginagamit ko. But then again, tinitimplahan ko pa siya. Parang pang-base lang talaga siya na sauce. Naluto ko na yan last time. And nagustuhan siya ni Dan. So, nung bumalik si Dan sa Asian shop, binilhan niya ako ng ganyan. Kasi gusto niya mag-ulam ulit ng ganyan. So, carrots lang ako at saka potato. Almost done. You came along and you changed everything. Changed everything.
Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but I'm kinda shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took
Ikat ko
it.
na din yung
And I'm
chicken.
not looking back. Living in a hazy world. I just
Yung gamit namin is chicken thighs.
be dancing the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. And when the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me.
Alright, start na tayo magluto, guys. Yung unahin ko, i-brown ko lang yung ating carrots at saka potatoes. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. So, tigi-isa lang to, isang carrots, isang potato. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Okay na itong mga carrots, guys.
But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything like how she made you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I
Okay na yung chicken natin, guys. Nilagyan ko lang ng pepper. Naglagay din ako vegeta. Naglagay ako ng sugar din. Yeah, yun lang ata yung nilagay ko. So, tansya-tansya lang ng mga yun. Pwede din itong lagyan ng green peas, actually.
I eat this.
How's the food, Ayla?
Good.
Good.
My food is
She's almost finished. How about you, Alo?
No.
Not yet. Good job, ate. Good eating. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan si daddy. Feeling ko paan niya yung nagpalakad-lakad sa labas. Nasaan ba yung phone? Check natin yung camera, be. Kasi bumaba siya kanina, nasa phone. So, hindi niya nasabi sa akin kung saan siya pupunta. Alas 6 na eh, wala pa.
Oh my God, Mommy.
Nasa labas nga. Nasa phone nga si daddy. Kanina pa yun.
Mama, why?
Ubus na yung Ha? Daddy's plate. Natikman na niya eh.
Mommy.
Gustong gusto niya to.
No.
Is it yummy, Alo?
It is
Yeah.
yummy.
Finish your
Good.
food.
I like it.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
I like it too.
You like it too?
Konti lang yung rice niya, guys, nasa gitna. Tapos inubos ko na yung natira. Parang ang dami tingnan pero hindi naman yan ganun kadami. Kasi in total, ano lang yan eh. 500 grams ng
How you
chicken.
going, Princess?
Ayla loves this too. Look at Ayla. She's finished.
I like it too, Anna.
Last one. And then you're done. Huh?
What I was making?
She's not making anything. She's eating, Arlo. Look at Ate. Can you finish yours, Arlo, as well, please?
No.
Do you need help? Ito, ang likot-likot lang, oh. Na, tingnan yung mukha. Ang gara. Parang daddy niya. Kuya,
This is very hard.
yeah, that's not good.
Very bad.
Ito din, yung kutsara kung saan-saan na lang napupunta. Ang galaw-galaw ng inday natin. Oh. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Naman. Good job. Sabi niya, Mami, busog na ako, Mami.
Mommy?
Kain man ako ng kain. Mami, wala ako na akong tigil kain. Kung hindi siya kumakain ng solid, umiinom ng milk. Okay? Dum dum, we're going to the moon. Relax lang ba? Baka mapunta na talaga to sa ulo mo. Right, that's enough, Inday. Hello. Buyag. Hello, Buyag Inday. Hello, my Buyag Inday. Hello. Sus ka gwapa. Hello.